Hi, I'm Mitchel and today we'll be preparing Octopus Alfredo Pasta. Here's the ingredients. We need 4 ounces of uncooked pasta, olive oil, lemon, marinated octopus, local seasoning, homemade Alfredo sauce, and cheese. Okay, we'll be washing out the lemon from the octopus thoroughly. Now you apply some salt and tenderize the octopus, removing all the fresh from the octopus. You continue to tenderize. I'm using some, I can't remember what they call it, tartar. I'm then going to parboil the octopus for 10 to 15 minutes. I gather all my fresh local seasonings together, chop them up finely, and that's based on preference, okay? We have our onions, some garlic, grated garlic, and the octopus is done parboiling. I'm going to dice them into small pieces. Look at this tender meat. I'm sauteing all of that together in some olive oil. Now I pour over my pasta after it's finished boiling. Add some of my homemade Alfredo sauce and I mix it all together. Look at that goodness. Look at that goodness.